What is up, guys? Welcome back. We are closing out our 94 Top Stadium Club this week. Got a handful of packs left. Just hoping for some cool stuff, like Bill Gullickson, apparently. Nice. Oh, nice. Got another Kurt Schilling. Pulled one of those a couple weeks ago. Chuck Knobloch stepping up to the plate. Roberto Kelly. Nice. Charles Nagy. Nice. Good stuff. Good stuff. John Smiley. Got that high leg kick going. Oh, got some Greg Vaughn. That's a cool shot. Manuel Lee. Got our red zone info card. Teddy Higuera. Oh, got another Frank Thomas. League leader. All right, let's see what our rainbow variant is today. Willie Blair. Nice. Along with the little Kirby Puckett. There's a nice Hall of Fame card. Cool. Well, there we go. Awesome. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.